All right, temperatures heading into the overnight hours, dipping into the 20s for some out to the east, but a fair amount of cloud cover has filtered its way into the eastern third of Minnesota. 31 Grand Forks, a lot of 20s in western Minnesota. Right now here in the FM area, we have dipped below freezing, so those sidewalks will get a little slippery both late tonight and first thing in the morning. Winds from the south tapering off just a bit. 10 miles per hour. Moorhead, your temperature 28 degrees. A pretty widespread area of snow shower activity made its way from north central North Dakota into southeast North Dakota. We didn't see anything too substantial make its way through the area, but still the radar is picking up a few echoes from snowflakes over the top of the eastern third of North Dakota. Here's the big picture now as we look out to the west. The jet stream, that river of air at about 30,000 feet, showing a huge kink in it that takes it all the way up to near the Yukon and Alaska. A big area of warmer air that will be kind of swirling around in that location over the next few days, and we're going to increasingly get a taste of some of that milder air. As we go through the night tonight, though, the clouds will continue to move to the south and to the east. Temperatures by daybreak will slip into the low to mid 20s for most locations, so be prepared for a cool and cloudy start. As we go toward the midday hour, most of the cloud cover shifts off to the east, so in the afternoon hours, a chance for our western counties west of the Red River to see at least filtered sunshine, if not a decent sunset, before another bank of clouds works its way through in the evening. Now, as we go through the evening, after temperatures rise to above freezing for many locations once again, we'll see more clouds work their way off to the east. And all in all, it looks like a very quiet day. Winds from the west at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Mid-20s to start, warming gradually to the mid-30s. And again, as we warm up above freezing, that slowly melts some of our snowbanks here. And then we freeze it back up as we go into the nighttime hours. So a nice, steady, slow rate of melting of our snowbanks. Now that's going to really not show up in the rivers just yet, but as things warm up, we expect that to change. I'll have more on that in just 1 second. Look at this awesome shot here sent in by Tom from the Buxton area. Very colorful and slushy indeed. The planning forecast shows as we go through the middle of our work week, we begin spring at 4:58 on Wednesday afternoon. Temperature very close to 40 degrees. That would be above average for this time of the year. Now, as we go toward the latter portion of the week, the warming trend continues. We should make those lower 40s, maybe mid 40s, as we go through as the snow will continue to melt, and then at night, the melting stops. Notice this, though, as we head into your weekend, temperatures will be well into the 40s, and we'll see overnight lows above freezing as well. So that will accelerate that melting process a little bit. And on top of that, a chance of rain. So once we get beyond the weekend and into next week, models are showing some even warmer temperatures. And because of that, I think we'll start to see an acceleration of water entering our rivers.